Good afternoon, y'all.
Good morning. This is a Novice Garage.
Here with another episode
of the $600 daily motor. And today, what we're going to do today?
Today we are mudding in suits. And you might be asking yourself right now, Gabe, Zach, why are y'all dressed up? That's a great question.
I can't think it's a great question. Anyways, okay, the reason why we are actually dressed up is because your boy had a state inspection ticket that we had to go get taken care of today. Needless to say, it was going to be being like an $800 ticket. Yeah, okay. Needless to say, it was going to be like an $800 ticket. Well, out of this random blue, you know, where we're sitting down there in the courthouse, I was talking to this lady. Most kindest lady ever, complete random stranger, ended up paying $200 of my ticket. Complete stranger. Like,
yeah, the karma for her, guys. I believe in karma now because basically how the courtroom works, we're going on a tangent here, but basically the way it works is she was there for like a traffic ticket. If you're what
police
is it?
Officer that gave you the ticket.
If the officer that gave you the ticket does not show up within 30 minutes, they drop the case. And her officer did not show up.
Yeah.
So her case was dropped, but she was talking to Zach and she basically understood where he was coming from and the struggles he faces a lot. And she was like, I believe in God, I believe in doing good, here's $200. Like,
yeah.
I was like, holy shit.
Lily just paid $200 of my ticket.
God! That's not, I can't say that. I mean, we don't even know her name, but
I can't remember.
thank you, kind lady. Anyways, for us to help pay it forward, we're gonna be doing another merchandise giveaway. Probably just a shirt. I think we ran out of hats.
Yeah,
look how dirty this dude's hat is, dude. Like, this hat is so dirty.
And I know we met up with but we bumped into a subscriber on the highway. He was screaming and yelling at us. It was freaking hilarious.
In fact, I have a Snapchat from him that I was waiting to open on camera. So let's see. That was like he literally just pulls up to us in traffic, like, oh my God, it's Novice Garage. Yep, that's
he was
us.
Screaming and yelling at us.
So we'll be doing the giveaway details at the end of this video, so stay tuned to the end for that, and on to today's video. So basically what we're doing today, doing a little bit of work on the Jeep. So Zach did discover that the Jeep does in fact have a 2-inch lift on it, surprisingly. You know, it's not just 35s with the stock ride height. So it still rubs, I guess. Well, you know, you should talk about it.
Okay, so my tires, you can see right in here. We'll get a close-up shot later. But the tires rub right in here into the fenders. So obviously Jeeps never come with 35 stock. So you gotta do a little trimming. And yes, there was trim work done here before, but we gotta trim even more because we got some big boy tires on here and we're not using that. What?
You know, you're right. I'm an adult. I'm wearing a suit. I can get a power saw if I want to get a power saw. Grinder, technically.
Child here.
See, our plan is we got the Sawzall. Is that a Sawzall? What is it? Angle grinder? I feel like I'm calling it the wrong thing. Angle grinder. We got the angle grinder. Zach's gonna cut that. I'm gonna cut the 2 front fenders. I'm gonna film it, and I'm also gonna change because I really don't want to get this suit all messed up. So I'll be right back.
All right, so we have not too much time, so I'm just gonna wing it and cut it because honestly, I'm not really too worried about how my fender looks. I'm just wanting enough clearance for my tire, and 2, new fenders are only 55 bucks. So I really don't care, and I want to have some fun today. So always safety first. Since I don't have glasses, I got my old helmet, so we're gonna use that. And let's get to cutting. Okay, so now I gotta replace my grinding wheel, so be right back.
All better. Gotta rep, you know. America sucks.
The only reason why I cut out here was because the only rubbing issues I've been having are on the outside. So that's why I only cut here. Granted, later I'm gonna come back and chop this off a little more, but and that is good. For the other side. Hey bro, I found my horn.
It's your horn? I thought that was your horn.
No, there's multiple horns now, I guess. Oh shit.
Uh-oh. Is it the wife?
So now I'm pretty sure I'm not going to have any rubbing issues, because all my rubbing issues were right here in the outside, and obviously we trimmed it back pretty good, a couple inches. So honestly, I'm actually pretty happy with how it turned out, just for winging it. And the same side, I will probably come back up here, do a little more trimming, make it just a little bit nicer, but overall, I'm happy. Now I have enough clearance on the fenders and the wheels, so now I don't have to worry about my tires rubbing or anything like that. So let's go on the trail a little bit, just trail around.
What time is it, Zach?
It's trail time.
Oh no, there's a bumper. No, the trail's claimed someone's bumper. That sucks. Don't go that way, that's an ATV trail.
Oh.
Yeah, it's like way too narrow, especially if you're welded diff.
Is this all dried up out here?
Yeah. Now where it gets muddy is we're gonna go up to the right, and that's where it starts to get, yeah, there's a little bit of mud right there actually. Asshole. I see it. I see it. Do you see it? I see it. I see it. All right, stop real quick.
So, this is all I gotta say about that. If we can get, how many likes do you think? 2,000?
2,000? I don't know.
1,000.
I don't know.
1,000. We got 55,000 people to watching us. We can at least get 1,000.
1,000 likes?
Yeah.
Alright.
Alright, so.
We're like whores now, guys.
Yeah,
like whores. Yeah.
So, if we can get 1,000 likes.
Guys, one like is one prayer for the Jeep.
Yep. We can get 1,000 likes.
Which equals 1,000 prayers.
1,000 prayers. So we get 1,000 likes, I will take the Jeep and we will go through this trail.
All right, so we gotta bring you guys closer and really show you like how bad this is.
Like, this is, oh God.
Oh, and to be clear, we're not doing this to be like whores. Zach has to be at school by 6. So if we go through here and get stuck, he's gonna be late. We don't really want to take that risk. So it's something for another video. But just wanted to say that before we get a bunch of comment warriors.
This is
keyboard warriors.
Let's go. Okay, so this is as far as we're going. But yeah, this is all just,
I think we can do it.
I mean, it's really not that deep, but it's just out over there and then down there.
Famous last words. Dude, it's not that deep.
All right, let's go hit some trails.
All right.
But yeah, if you want to see us, it's upside down. I don't know why. If you want to see us, hit that section right there. You know what to do.
Like the button, Zach. Come on.
Hit the like button. You gotta hit it, or we won't do it.
Just a quick side note. We don't know where the GoPro is, and we only have one SD card right now. So I'm having to do some weird stuff to get the shot, to get the shots we need. Oh, fuck. Zach! Oh, you're still, ah! We're drifting the trail right now, guys. Oh, shit. All right, let her rip. Like nothing.
That was two-wheel drive.
Looks like JB Weld came through the window, look at that. But one thing we can do in this video is this. We call it the Soaked Swamp. Soaked Swamp, it's a terrible name. But yeah, we like whenever we had the 4Runner, if y'all remember, we always used to take it through here. It's basically just a little, you know, low-lying swamp area, and the more you drive through it, the deeper it gets, and it's pretty fun. Zach, the 4Runner made it through everything around here. You got it
different now.
Nah. I guarantee you can make it through that. So Zach's gonna test the waters, no pun intended here first, and just kind of drive through that and see how it goes. Even though he wants to do this part, but not that first. This part looks deeper. We'll see how it goes. A little bit slippery. Definitely doable though. Like nothing. Too easy.
Oh, it's not as long as I was expecting.
No. This all used to be wet.
Yeah, okay.
So you gonna do it?
Which way should we go?
Let's do it, Zach.
Like to straddle it?
This Look at that! Go, 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 blow it! It's too easy. Just don't hit that rock. I told you you can do it.
Yeah.
How was it? I told you you could do it. That's a little practice one. Actually, that was pretty deep, not gonna lie. Oh, that one's really deep. Oh God. Oh God. That wasn't that bad.
Well, that is it. That was not a lot of off-roading as I was hoping, to be honest with you, but
We got prioritized.
yeah, I got a school to go to, and I didn't really want to get too thick of mud, so to speak. I really didn't want to get stuck. So, but that was a lot of fun. That was a blast.
Yeah, I agree.
Tires didn't rub one bit, so that's fantastic.
So I think next is probably a winch.
Yeah.
Because like once you have a winch, you're pretty much unstoppable for the most part.
Yeah, you
For the
can
most part.
get some deep stuff and still be able to get out. So
You really can.
if we get stuck, then we're gonna have to be pushing.
Yeah.
So
we're doing our giveaway, guys. All you have to do, drop a comment, subscribe if you haven't already, and follow our Instagram. That's it. Those 3 things, and we'll be doing a giveaway. Pretty much a shirt. I think we ran out of hats. Did we run out of hats?
Yeah, we did. So shirts.
You haven't landed.
Ta-da!
At least a shirt though. At least a shirt.
At least a shirt.
All you have to do is those 3 things, and you're entered.
And like this video if you want to see us go through that channel.
Yes, 1 like equals 1 prayer, and 1 prayer. Wait, 1,000 prayers equals us going through that swamp.
Yep.
I'm pretty sure Brendan did it in the Jeep. Pretty sure he
Yeah.
did. It's been a year, so you know, erosion,
Mud,
precipitation,
dirt, water.
Well, you see, we got wet dirt, dry dirt.
Yep. Okay, that is it. Thank you for watching. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to our channel. This is what we do.
1 subscribe equals 1 prayer. Is that how that works?
Yeah.
I don't know.
It's how it works. It's Jeep time.